Okay, so I have bent forks that need to be replaced. This video is not a step-by-step tutorial. Swapping out the forks is not that difficult. Basically, all I need is the new forks, the stands, the tools, and the service manual. I have all of the above. I have already removed the front headlight. I'm also going to be removing the master cylinder and brake lever, the clutch perch, the LCD display, the risers. Basically, all the handlebar controls are coming off. My risers are cracked, but I will not be replacing the risers. I have to remove the front brakes in order to remove the front wheel. I'll hang the brake lines by a string, shoestrings, or some wires. I have to remove the front wheel axle to remove the front wheel. The front axle should just slide right out if you take some of the weight off of it by lifting up on the front wheel. I mean, that's assuming that you don't have any damage to your front wheel axle. You know, it should just slide right out. I definitely have bent forks because I'm leaking fork oil. Once I removed the headlight and forks, I noticed that I have lower triple tree damage. I have a sheared off steering stop. The steering stop is basically a safety feature. It limits the range of motion when turning. It basically, if you turn left, once you hit the steering stop, it'll stop. You know, the wheel won't turn anymore, or the handlebars won't be able to move any further past a certain point. I will replace the lower triple tree at a later date. I mean, I probably could skip replacing the lower triple tree, but the steering stop is basically a safety feature, and I'm just going to replace it later. So the forks are off. I have new forks with fork mounted clip-ons. The new forks are OEM, but the clip-ons obviously are not OEM. I'm going to try to make them work though. The right side fork and clip-on went on without an issue. The left side fork and clip-on went on without an issue. The front wheel is also back on the bike. The forks are good. The front wheel seems to be aligned. I don't think the fork mounted clip-ons will be a problem, but the clip-ons will definitely require other modifications to the bike. Stay tuned.